Let's do some math test. Lily, what's 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 is equal to 4.
Good job, Lily. Harry, what's 2 plus 4?
2 plus 4 is equal to 6.
Good job. Harry. Laura, what's 5 plus 5?
5 plus 5 is equal to 10.
Good job. Laura. Lucas, what's 5 plus 0?
5 plus 0 is equal to 5.
Good job. Lucas.
All right, class. Let's watch our video.
Time to pull down the fire alarm.
Whoa. Bob! How dare you pull down the fire alarm? That's it! You are arrested for 56,757,577 years. I'm calling the police right now. Also, Bob, you are going to stay in jail.
I'm calling the police right now. You are going to jail.
Bob! You are under arrest for pulling down the fire alarm. Get in the police car right now.
Bob! How freaking dare you pull down the fire alarm? That's it! You're staying in jail right now. Quiet!